Hi, I'm super excited to let you know that I am delivering a full day class on SQL Server performance tuning as part of Dfinity conference in New Zealand in Auckland. This is on 18th Feb 2019. Let's first talk about the conference. Dfinity is the largest Microsoft data platform conference that happens in New Zealand, and it covers the entire region, Australia, New Zealand and neighboring countries. So make sure that you attend the conference. The conference is on 19th and 20th of February, but the full day class is happening on 18th Feb. And my class is titled as Speeding Up SQL Server Queries. It talks everything about query tuning, weight types, weight analysis, query plan analysis, identifying iterators that create problem, deadlocking, parameter sniffing, and everything to do with query tuning. So if you are a developer, DBA or architect working in SQL Server, in any capacity, make sure that you attend this full day class. This class is packed with real world demos, notes from the field and advanced content. My name is Amit Bansal. I have been working with SQL Server since 1997. I started my career as a developer and then I moved into database administration. Since 2005, I have been heavily working on consulting side, and my core area of focus has been SQL Server performance tuning. I have delivered more than 600 assignments, and I had the privilege to work with Microsoft and more than 200 SQL Server customers globally. In 2005, I also started writing a course on SQL Server internals, troubleshooting and performance tuning. I'll talk about that course in a moment. Apart from my day job of consulting, training and performance tuning, I also speak at global conferences whenever I get an opportunity. I've spoken at almost all conferences worldwide, including Microsoft Ignite, past summits, SQL Bit, and of course this year's Dfinity conference and our own data platform summit that we organize in Bangalore each year. I'm also a Microsoft Certified Master of SQL Server and Microsoft Most Valuable Professional for SQL Server awardee since 2007. Microsoft has also honored me with Regional Director status. That URL, sqlmaestros.com/Amit-Bansal, is somewhere you can go and learn more about me. Now let's talk about the course. In 2005, I started working on this course, SQL Server Internals, Troubleshooting and Performance Tuning, and I started penning down all my experiences with SQL Server performance improvements. This course slowly became a signature course in India, and I had delivered hundreds of deliveries for this course as corporate assignments. I packaged this course as a 40-hour content combined with decks, presentations, theory, and most importantly, packed with real-world examples and demos. And then I started creating multiple versions of this course for various needs of our SQL customer audiences and community globally. One of such version of this course is Speeding Up SQL Server Queries, and this is the one-day course that I'm delivering at Dfinity conference in New Zealand. This Speeding Up SQL Server one-day course is actually an extract from my 40-hour content, and I have taken out the important pieces that are really important for developers and DBAs. Talking about query plan analysis, deadlocks, query tuning, how to read the iterators or the plan, and investigating weight type analysis, troubleshooting CPU, memory, IO. All the key important aspects has been packaged into this 8-hour demo packed class. And of course, I was very happy. Last year, this course was delivered across the globe. I got an opportunity to deliver this class in Christchurch and Auckland in New Zealand. Then we moved on and delivered this class in Australia and Singapore. And then of course, I ended the year by delivering this class in Denmark, in Copenhagen. And all these classes were really very successful. I got tremendous feedback from my attendees, and you can actually go and read all the feedback and testimonials. I've put all of them public for everyone to see. So that bit.ly link is important, bit.ly/MC testimonials. This is where you can actually go and read feedback from every attendee from all parts of the world. This particular class on Feb 18 is happening at Clifton's Convention Center, Speeding Up SQL Server Queries, and I have blogged about this. That bit.ly link again, Dfinity 2019, please keep that in mind, and I have blogged about it. You can read and you can understand more about this course. Now I want to focus on the content coverage for this course. The first module talks about SQL Server weight types and statistics. I will take you through the query lifecycle, what are connections, sessions, requests, tasks, workers, threads, I mean, the entire journey of the query from the point the request is submitted to SQL Server and the results are thrown back on the client, and through its life cycle, all the different wait types your query encounters. And we are going to dive deep into common wait types. We will identify them and then we will diagnose them. Module 2 is going to focus on the Holy Trinity, which is CPU, memory, and I/O. We are not going to go very deep because these are pretty large concepts, but we'll focus on key aspects on how to troubleshoot excessive CPU usage, high memory usage, and high I/O usage. And we will understand those workloads that cause such problems and how to identify and fix them. Module 3 is going to focus on query execution and query plan analysis. We'll start with reading the execution plan, understanding the important iterators, how to identify where there are problems in the query plan and how to fix them. We will look at common problems that you generally face. We will understand the concepts of statistics and cardinality estimations and focus on important iterators. In this module, you will see a lot of practical examples of common performance issues that your production faces. Module 4 is going to be all about query tuning. We will learn how to rewrite Transact SQL so that you get better performance. You will learn how to optimize stored procedures. We will look at a very common problem of parameter sniffing. We will look at a lot of best practices, and then I will show you some examples of transactions and procedural code. So module 4 is going to be extensive query tuning exercise. Module 5 is one of my favorites, and we are going to talk about indexes here. First, I will begin by demystifying common myths around indexes. Then we will look at various indexing strategies. My focus will be on non-clustered indexes. We will look at fill factor, fragmentation, and then after these concepts are covered, we will focus on real-world examples of index tuning. Believe it or not, but in many performance tuning assignments that I have done, more than 70% performance issues have been solved just by re-strategizing the indexes for SQL Server. Finally, module 6 is going to deal with deadlocks. Now, this might be a bit surprising. What has blocking and deadlocks to do with performance? Well, when there are blocking and locking issues, and when there are deadlocks, it really impacts query performance. It really impacts application performance and user experience. So it is very critical that you understand concurrency, isolation levels, the granularity and hierarchy. After these concepts are covered, I'll straight away jump into what deadlocks are and the different types of deadlocks. And believe it or not, you can actually fix deadlocks, and I'm going to show you practical examples of different types of deadlocks and how to fix them. And again, these examples are from real world scenarios that I have learned over the years. What are your takeaways with this particular full day course? You will see a bunch of practical real world demos. You will get all the demo scripts and the demo databases that I'm going to use in this particular class. There is going to be a load of learning for you that you can apply in your production right away. When you come to this class, you don't need to bring your laptop. You just need to make sure that you pay full attention to me and the demos, take a lot of notes, and end of the class, I give you everything that I use for the 8-hour training. So here are the links again for you. Feb 18, 2019, Clifton's Convention Center in Auckland, speeding up SQL Server queries. Those two URLs are important for you. Bit.ly, Dfinity 2019, Bit.ly, MC Testimonials. And if you want to watch some free videos from me, you can watch them on YouTube/SQL Maestros YouTube channel. If you want to talk to me directly, just drop an email at amit.bansal@sqlmaestros.com. With this, thank you very much for your time. I hope you will join this masterclass, and even if you're not coming for the class and if you're coming at Dfinity conference, please drop by and say hi. I will also be delivering a couple of breakout sessions apart from this full day class, and the links are again there with you on the screen. Thank you very much for your time. Talk to you soon.